This common traditional shoe cabinet has a single function and less storage. Hanging clothes? What a messy view. Say no to unused area. 1. Install a wooden square cabinet as a locker storage. Put a mirror in the middle with another cabinet as a drawer and place to put your keys, bags, and other essential small items. Add stool bench chair, comfortably sitting and changing shoes. Install sensor light above the mirror. Turn on automatically when you get home. 2. Install floor-to-ceiling shoes rack cabinet with different dimensions for variety of shoe sizes and heights. This provides ample storage space that would otherwise be wasted. 3. One tall cabinet door is easy to deform. Divide it into 2 sections as it is better from a functional standpoint. Choose 45-degree finger pull design for clean modern look. Raise 20 centimeters from the below cabinet to fittingly store daily wear shoes and flip-flops. 4. Make a thin cabinet on the side as multi-purpose hallway storage for items such as jackets, umbrella, scarves, etc. Choose a full-length mirror on the cabinet door as it provides a wide field of view to check yourself and outfits before going out. Also, the bottom cabinet is hollowed out for home cleaning robot. Follow LK4ID for more design tips.